Hey there, gaming pals! Today we're diving deep into the wild world of handheld gaming systems. Now, we all know that gaming on the go has been a thing since the iconic Game Boy days. But hold on to your joysticks because 2024 is unleashing a whole new level of portable gaming goodness. Before we go any further, please write in the comments which gaming console you think is the best. Send it to your friends via WhatsApp and give it a thumbs up. Thanks. So let's talk about the Lenovo Legion Go, our number 5 pick. This bad boy stands out with its supersized form factor and an 8.8-inch QHD screen. It's like the Hulk of handhelds, but with detachable Nintendo Switch-style controllers. And guess what? It even has an FPS mode that turns the right controller into an ergonomic mouse. Innovation, right? Now brace yourself for the Asus ROG Ally Z1 at number 4. It's like the superhero version of the Ally family, but a bit more budget-friendly. Running demanding games smoothly? Check. A sleek 7-inch 1080p screen? Double check. It's the Batman to your gaming Gotham, offering power without breaking the bank. Next up at number 3 is the Asus ROG Ally. Imagine a premium Windows 11 powered beast with a 7-inch 1080p/120Hz screen. It's like having a cinema in your hands. Sure, it comes with a power cost, but hey, gaming is about sacrifices, right? And this 1-hour Cyberpunk 2077 gaming time is worth it for the stunning visuals. Now, entering the gaming arena at number 2 is the Valve Steam Deck, the OG version. It's like the cool, vintage collector's item of handhelds. With the same specs as the newer OLED model, but at a sweeter price, it's the entry ticket to handheld PC gaming. More storage, more gaming adventures, it's a win-win. And drumroll please, our numero uno, the Valve Steam Deck OLED. Picture this, a dazzling 720p OLED display, enhanced battery life, and faster downloads. It's like the Rockstar version of the Steam Deck, bringing colors to life and giving you more playtime without constantly hunting for power outlets. So fellow gamers, which of these handheld heroes would you pick for your gaming adventures? Drop your thoughts in the comments, share this video with your gaming squad, and don't forget to hit that like button. Until next time, happy gaming.